Okay, how do you get stubborn bolts out? Someone's already done the extras on this, so I won't do it, so I'm doing this something instead. So what you do, alright, I would tweak it off. So what you do, this is only a demonstration what I'm doing here. So if it's stiff, right, do it bit by bit. Okay, put some OP spray on. It's here. Bit by bit, yeah, until it turns a little bit more. Right, if it don't go any further, put some more in the thread here. Then what you do it back up, then back again. Keep on going backwards and forwards like that. Okay, bit more, but sometimes they do snap. That's the trouble. And when you try to drill them out, it doesn't work, because it depends what type of drill I have, drill bit you have. My drills don't work, so keep on doing this all the time, bit by bit. If it's stiff again, go back the other way like this. Then what you do, keep on put some more this stuff on OP spray, bit by bit. I will tell you at the end what happens. Keep on going, right out. But the only one problem is take the thread out with it as well. And that's the trouble. You can see bits of thread on there. You can see that silver bit there. So that's the trouble. Where you got a metal bolt and IU block, they seize together, then what happens? The thread comes out with it as well. Then what do you do? Anyway, thanks for listening to me. Please subscribe and comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.